Your home is fitted with photovoltaic panels, more commonly known as solar panels. They work by generating energy from daylight, not just sun, into electricity to use in your home. Energy generated by the panels on your roof goes through the inverter to be converted into energy. This is already set up, and you do not need to do anything with it. The PV meter shows how much energy your solar panels generate in their lifetime. The display is shown in kilowatts per hour, or kWh. The number on the display should go up every day and will rise more on lighter sunny days than on dark winter days. If you notice that this number is not rising, call us on 0800 052 2526, as there may be a fault on the system. The energy generated can be used immediately to run your heating and household appliances. To make the most of this free energy, you may want to run high-consumption appliances such as your washing machine, tumble dryer or dishwasher during the day. If you need to contact a member of staff or report a repair, please contact Wales and West Housing on 0800 052 2526 or visit our website at www.wwha.co.uk, where you can report a repair online.